You are in correspondence with the lady. We can check where she's at right now. Hello guys, my name is Anna. I'm the manager of Odessa office, Ukraine. Yes, I'm still in Ukraine, still in Odessa, but today I want to talk to you about different topic, about dating, introductions, letters, correspondence with ladies on our website. First of all, if you are in correspondence with the lady, we can check where she's at right now.
From a dream to life, swimming in the blue.
On her profile, you can see the line, you can see her current location right now. Is she still in Ukraine or she left? Maybe she's somewhere in Europe. If you want, you can order a Skype call. We can set up the Skype conversation with her, and you can see your girl. You can see with whom you're corresponding with, and you can make decision. Do you want to come to Europe, or maybe somewhere in the west of Ukraine to meet her, or would you like to have more correspondence with her, something like that?
It's carrying me home. This feeling is bigger.
Another thing, Skype calls. You can do Skype call with the lady, the one that in Ukraine, and with the ladies, the one that left Ukraine, the one that right now in Europe. If you have doubts about coming to Europe or coming to Ukraine, that's the good way for you to see the girl, to see exactly how she looks, and to feel that click maybe that will help you to make your decision. If you would like to come to Europe, if your lady somewhere in Germany, Italy, England, Moldova maybe, you can still order introduction and come, and we will set up the date for you. We will make sure that you will meet your girl. We have managers all over the Europe right now, so that's possible as well. If you're a lady in Ukraine, what to do, right? Of course, I'm not suggesting you to come to Ukraine. It will be much easier and safer for you to come to Europe. So if you come to Europe, let's say to Poland, the places where border is close to Ukraine, you can come to those countries and maybe set up for your lady a trip, so she can come to Europe and to meet you there. That's another way.
Any current, you sweep me up, sweep me up.
So right now, you know that there are choices, there are ways for you to see the girl, to do Skype call, introductions, to come to meet her, or keep corresponding. If you're corresponding with the lady right now, we're checking every girl. We're calling to every girl in database. We want to make sure that all ladies right now, their current location. We want to know where they're at. Where is lady at right now? We put in current location on her profile, and you can see if she left or not. Around 30% of the ladies left Ukraine, and they all over the Europe right now. So you can make decision where you want to go, and do you want to go to Europe or not. But if you want to come to Ukraine, you know, you can still do it.
What do we go from here? You got me wrapped around you. Where do we go from here? I'm falling.
So guys, if you have correspondence with a lady and you want to meet her, if you want to do Skype call or introduction with her, you want to meet her in Europe, you can write us, you can call us, and we will make sure that you will meet your girl. Have a good day to you and stay safe.
You too can experience the romantic adventure of a lifetime. Join men from all over the world as they take a trip and find their future brides. Interested? Learn more at
ukrainesingles.com.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Then click on the notice bell to get notified every time we add something new.
You sweep